Welcome back to MS Luxury Life. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes of 2025, the American Eagle 45K. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion. A $1 million masterpiece designed for those who don't want to compromise on space, comfort, or style while traveling the open road. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to step into a 5-star hotel suite that just happens to move, you're about to find out. The first thing that catches your eye before you even step inside is the sheer presence of this machine. The American Eagle 45K stretches out to nearly 45 feet in length, and it sits tall and commanding on a robust chassis. From the outside, you're met with a sleek and modern design that makes no apologies for its size. The paintwork is deep, glossy, and available in multiple premium color schemes, with elegant graphics that make it stand out in any RV park or on the highway. The LED lighting accents give it a futuristic look at night, while the full-body paint ensures it maintains a showroom shine for years. On the exterior, you also get massive storage bays with power-operated doors, so you're not wrestling with heavy latches. These storage compartments are heated and lit, making it easy to access your belongings in any condition. And of course, you'll find exterior entertainment features like a large flat-screen TV built into the side, premium audio systems, and even power awnings that extend with a touch of a button to create a shaded lounge space outdoors. This means you can enjoy movie nights or big sporting events under the stars, sitting in the comfort of luxury patio furniture, while your motorhome becomes the center of attention. But stepping inside is where the magic truly happens. The American Eagle 45K has an interior that could rival some of the most upscale apartments in New York or Dubai. When you walk through the automatic entry door, you're greeted with an open and spacious living area thanks to multiple slide-outs that expand the interior width dramatically. The ceiling height is generous, giving you a true sense of space, and the lighting is perfectly designed with recessed LED strips and accent lights that set the mood whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The materials used inside are nothing short of premium. Real hardwood cabinetry with soft close doors, quartz countertops that glisten under the lights, and heated porcelain tile floors that run throughout the coach. The lounge area features plush leather sofas, and depending on the configuration, you can even have theater seating with power recliners, USB ports, and massage functions built right in. Large windows with dual shades give you plenty of natural light during the day, while offering complete privacy at night. In the living area, you'll also find a massive flat-screen smart TV paired with a top-tier sound system that makes your home entertainment as immersive as it gets. And yes, this coach comes fully connected, with Wi-Fi and satellite TV options that make it easy to stay online wherever your journey takes you. Moving into the kitchen, it feels more like a designer cooking space than something you'd expect in an RV. You get a residential-sized refrigerator with French doors and a freezer drawer, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and even a dishwasher. Storage is abundant, with deep pull-out pantries and plenty of overhead cabinets. The kitchen island gives you extra counter space, making it easy to prepare meals just like you would at home. And with the beautiful lighting and high-end fixtures, it feels less like cooking in a motorhome and more like working in a luxury condo. The American Eagle 45K also comes with a dining area that can be customized for your lifestyle. Whether you want a traditional table and chairs setup or a more modern booth design with additional storage, the flexibility is there. It's the little details like hidden power outlets for your laptops or smart devices that remind you this coach was designed with both relaxation and practicality in mind. Heading toward the back, you'll find one of the most luxurious bathrooms available in any motorhome. This is a bath-and-a-half floor plan, so guests have access to a smaller half bath near the living area while you get to enjoy the spa-like full bathroom at the rear. In the master bath, you're greeted with dual vanity sinks, a beautifully tiled shower with rainfall showerhead, and even heated floors. The craftsmanship is immaculate, with stone finishes, high-end fixtures, and abundant storage for toiletries and linens. The master bedroom feels like it was taken straight from a luxury suite. A king-sized bed with premium mattress comes standard, and the bed itself can tilt up into a lounge position for watching TV or reading. On either side, you'll find nightstands with wireless charging, USB ports, and ambient lighting. Opposite the bed is a wall of storage that includes another large flat-screen TV, wardrobe space, and dressers. Some configurations even include a walk-in closet or a washer and dryer, tucked away discreetly so you can handle laundry on the road without compromise. Now let's talk performance. Because the American Eagle 45K isn't just about good looks and plush interiors. This motorhome is built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis and powered by a Cummins diesel engine that produces over 450 horsepower. That kind of power means you're not going to feel sluggish even when climbing steep mountain passes or hauling a tow vehicle. The air ride suspension system makes for a remarkably smooth drive. While advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this beast surprisingly manageable. Behind the wheel, you'll find a cockpit that feels more like a luxury SUV than a bus. The captain's chairs are fully adjustable, heated, cooled, and designed for long-distance comfort. The dash is clean and modern with digital displays, navigation, and all the controls you need within easy reach. Driving a 45-foot motorhome might sound intimidating, but with the technology packed into this machine, it quickly becomes second nature. So, what about the price? Well, luxury doesn't come cheap. The American Eagle 45K starts around the $1 million mark, and depending on options, it can climb higher. At that price, it competes with some of the most prestigious names in the motorhome industry. But for those who can afford it, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a lifestyle. It's a home, an entertainment center, and a luxury retreat all wrapped into one. Compared to buying a high-end vacation property, this offers the flexibility to change your backyard whenever you want, from the beaches of Florida to the mountains of Colorado. When you break down what you're getting for the investment, it makes sense for a certain buyer. You're getting more than 440 square feet of living space, the very best materials and technology, and the ability to live full-time on the road in complete comfort. And while $1 million is certainly a huge sum, the American Eagle 45K justifies it by delivering a rolling palace that turns every journey into a first-class experience. To wrap it up, the American Eagle 45K is not just transportation. It's a symbol of what's possible when engineering, design, and luxury all come together. From the stunning exterior to the opulent interior, from the power under the hood to the thoughtful details inside, it's built for people who demand the very best. It truly is a mansion on wheels, and if you're in the market for the ultimate in motorhome living, this is a model that deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth looks at the best RVs and motorhomes out there, and let me know in the comments what you think about the American Eagle 45K. Would you spend $1 million on a motorhome? Or would you rather invest in a vacation home? Until next time, keep traveling, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.